Welcome to Talk Learner. Get ready to test your English skills and learn something new today. Let's find out your English level based on your score. Are you ready? Cool. Good. Let's start the test.
The company, a new policy every spring. A. Introduce. B. Introduces. Key introduce. They dinner when the doorbell rang. A. Were having. B. Are having. Key was having. I my wallet. Check the car. A. Have misplaced. B. Had misplaced. Key am misplacing. By next Friday, we the final draft. A. Will have submitted. B. Submit. Key have submitted. Neither the director nor the actors available for comments. A. Is. B. Are. Key was. Each participant a badge at check-in. A. Receive. B. Receives. C. Receives. I wish it easier to find parking downtown. A. Were. B. Was. C. Are. The number of subscribers rising fast. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were. A pair of headphones on the desk. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were. She insisted on a receipt. A. To get. B. Getting. K. Get. He let me his notes for the exam. A. Borrow. B. Borrowing. Key to borrowing. Written Seattle since 2020. A. Live. B. Have lived. Key had lived. The committee scheduling another meeting. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were. There are several reasons to postpone the launch. A. Are. B. Is. C. Was. Little known about the inventor's childhood. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were. She prefers to at home on weekends. A. Stay. B. Staying. Key stays. He promised he before noon. A. Would arrive. B. Will arrive. Key arrive. This is the first time I oysters. A. Have tried. B. Had tried. Tried. Come I. You smoke in this building. It's prohibited. A. Mustn't. B. Don't have to. C. Shouldn't. By 6 p.m. they for 3 hours. A. Will have been waiting. B. Have been waiting. Key were waiting. Either the parents or the child responsible for the fee. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were. He suggested that we the meeting online. A. Hold. B. Holds. C. Held. If it again tonight, the roads will be icy. A. Snows. B. Snow. C. Snowed. She to Boston every month. A. Fly. B. Flies. C. Flew. The kids have their chores already. A. Finish. B. Finishing. Key. Finish. I'd rather you tow the lights off now. A. Left. B. Leave. K. Leave. Not only the marathon, but he also set a record. A. He finished. B. Did he finish? Key. He finishes. She apologized the misunderstanding. A. For. B. Of. C. About. Few invited to the private screening. A. Was. B. Were. Key. Is. She had her phone after it broke. A. Repair. B. Repaired. Key. Repairing. The report, along with the appendices on my desk. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were. They're too much noise to focus. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were. He writes more than before. A. Clear. B. Clearly. Key. Clearer. We're looking forward to from you soon. A. Hear. B. Hearing. Key. To hear. Hardly the concert begun, when it started to rain. A. Had. B. Has. C. Have. By the time we got home, the store fakes closed, B had closed, K has closed. Please tell me if you any questions. A have, B will have, K had. He remembered to the oven off before leaving. A turn, B turning, key turns. Only after the apology to speak. A, she agreed. B, did she agree? K, she agrees. The teacher demanded that the student quiet. A, B is, key, was. Many a rumour spread after the announcement. A, has, B, have, C, were. $5 not enough for a ticket. A, are, B, is, C, were. The scissors in the top drawer. E, is, B, are, key, was. She has fewer distractions last year. A than B then, key that. They are responsible confirming attendance. A for, B to, C of. I prefer walking, driving in traffic. A than B to, C over. The people who live upstairs very friendly. A, is, B, are, K, was. The woman car was towed, reported it. A who, B whose, C whom. By the end of the day, we 20 orders. A will have shipped, B shipped, C have shipped. Nothing but old files in that cabinet. A, is, B, are, K, were.
Share it with your friends, haha, and ask them to participate in this test. Comment your achieved scores and subscribe for more. Bye-bye.